me like.
Hi, I'm Omayel, and if bago ka dito, welcome Army. I am a mom of two. I am an Army since 2014, and this channel started as something very personal, and it's a digital diary for me. Gusto ko tong channel na to is something na I can watch when I grow old. Something I can look back on when I can't walk anymore and, just smile. Something na makikita ng mga kids ko one day or maybe pati ng mga magiging apo ko. So they know who I am, who we were, and what our life felt like back then. And if you're someone who likes stories, realistic travel plans, and little life moments, you're free to stay. You can subscribe and grow with me, and let's create this digital diary with me na makikita ko hanggang I'm gray and old. Naging mom ako early. That was 2011. So, 17 years old ako noon. Hindi siya madali. Hindi ko rin necessarily nire-recommend at this point in time. But for me, I also wouldn't exchange it for anything. Kasi yung life and responsibilities, maraming bagay ang na-delay during that time. Maraming dreams and pangarap ko ang na-push back, including, syempre, yung love ko for BTS and for K-pop. Maraming beses ko siyang sinantabi kasi kailangan kong unahin yung family, yung work, and basically survival in general. Especially teen mom ako nun. But now, I'm slowly finding my way back to the things that make me feel alive, back to traveling, back to fangirling, back to just being myself in general. Hindi naman kasi kami luxury travelers, hindi kami yung family na mayaman na nakikita nyo sa social media na pa-travel, pa-go and see the world, bumibili ng mga mahal na bagay. Gusto kong ipakita dito sa YouTube ko na to na I save and budget for months tulad ng mga nakararami, tulad yung lahat. And sometimes pa nga a year just to just to enjoy 1 week outside of the country or outside Metro Manila in particular. Pero kasi for me, those moments mean everything because they remind me of who I am beyond responsibilities. Hindi lang ako nanay, hindi lang ako asawa, kundi isa pa rin akong woman na may love for K-pop, na nag-e-enjoy sa life, na trentahin as they say. So, yun yung moments na mas pinapahalagahan ko. And kung lumalabas man kami, matagal ko yung pinaghahandaan, matagal ko yung pinag-iipunan for all of us. Or actually, hindi lang naman ako yung nag-iipon. The rest of the family do. Para ma-enjoy namin yung mga little snippets na makikita nyo sa YouTube. So, this channel is my real-life documentation. Realistic travel, army life after 30, at the same time, mom life siya na medyo chaotic, pero I'm sure makaka-relate kayo. And syempre, behind the scenes of building my dream business, which is the companion tour for solo fans and K-pop fans who just don't want to feel alone traveling dun sa mga spots ng mga K-pop idols nila, not just BTS in general. So I'm doing this not just for now, but for future me and for my future family and kids. For the days when my memories fade or kapag wala na ako sa mundong to, for my kids. So they can see that version of me that kept trying, kept dreaming, and kept choosing joy. Gusto ko maalala nila lahat ng best moments ng travel namin and ng daily life namin just by watching this YouTube channel. So, I hope samahan niyo ako sa journey na to. And maybe if someone like me watches this and feels inspired and excited again sa life nila slowly and realistically, then that would mean everything to me. So if you're here for honest stories, grounded travel, and a life that's still being built after 30 years, then welcome. I hope you travel smart and fangirl fully.